Hello. It's a dull and horrible day. Really low light. We've got the usual jobs to be cracking on with. That raised bed down there is taking a lot longer than I thought it would. So that's going to be a couple of episodes there, I think. And then we'll try and mix some stuff in with it. Right, let's get cracking. So I've got another bargain, stroke freebie, Facebook Marketplace again, 2 free external doors. So I think it was about a 22-mile round trip, so not too expensive. What I'm going to do is use them both for a cold train, so I'm going to cut them halfway down, both of them, and then use them on this raised bed as a cold frame. Using some of the turf to build a bank, I can do the sides of this raised bed. adapted this curve rather than going round in front, and then bring it down to the side of the raised bed, and then I'm going to fill in all this area with the turf I dug up earlier. So I got distracted again. Funny that, hey? I was just cruising around the garden, saw my blueberry bush, and oh, it's going to hurt my neck this. I'll get down on my knees maybe. Here we go. So I took some cuttings from the blueberry bush, and I'm going to have a go at propagating them. Seems a lot more fun than doing that bloody cold frame. So what we're going to do is just probably cut these in two, then shave off some of the bark around the base, put it in some rooting compound, and just plonk it in a pot and see what happens. I think it's got to be very well drained compost, so I put some extra sand in here. And obviously, as you saw before, there's all the eggshell clippings we put in. So I think that should be good enough to start. And as usual, I've got loads of spare eggshell here, so I'm going to put a bit of that in the base of the pot, just to help with drainage. And just fill it up. And I'm going to cut these down just above a node each one. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm just going to shave off some bark. If this is sharp enough, as a rusty old blade, probably not the best one to do it. Anyway, shave off some of the bark. Apparently doing this gives it more chance of rooting up a longer area. Whether that's right or not, I'm not sure, but I thought I'd give it a go.
So I'll shave a couple of these off, so you've got bare wood underneath. And apparently it's the young wood shoots, not the old wood, that you want to use. Right, there we go. Some of these actually I didn't realise the buds are going that way, so I've actually done them upside down. Now I'm not sure if that will have any effect or not, but it'd be a little experiment. So plonk them in the rooting compound and stick them in. There we have it. See what happens. So this one's gone on to another day. Gone from a grey day to a nice crisp bright day, which is nice. That job won't end. I think I've got to be a bit more disciplined, because I procrastinate a lot and get diverted into other little jobs, and then I forget the main job. But you know, that's the way it goes. But anyway, we'll wrap this one up now, and we'll see you again soon. So do what makes you happy, stay safe, keep learning, keep gardening, and we'll see you soon.